Hello everyone, today I will discuss about the other types of a subsidiary book. So first we know about the purchase book. Purchase book is a types of a subsidiary book. Purchase book only record the credit purchase. Record the credit purchase. There are two types of a purchase. One is the cash purchase and another one is the credit purchase. Cash purchase and a credit purchase. Cash purchase and a credit purchase. Cash purchase record in cash book. Record in cash book. And credit purchase record in purchase book. In purchase book. Purchase book. Similarly, sales book. Sales book is a types of a subsidiary book. There are two types of sales. One is the cash sales and another one is the credit sales. Only credit sales are recorded in the sales book. Only credit sales. Only record the credit sales. Record the credit sales. There are two types of sales. One is the cash sales and another is the credit sales. Then cash sales record in cash book. In cash book. And credit sale record in the sales book. In the sales book. Then overall purchase book only record the credit purchase, where sales book record only credit sale. Only credit sale. There are two types of purchase. One is cash purchase and another credit purchase. Cash purchase record in the cash book and credit purchase record in the purchase book. There are two types of sales. One is the cash sales and another is the credit sales. Then cash sales record in the cash book and credit sales record in the sales book. Then purchase book also named as, otherwise named as bought day book, purchase journal, bought day book, purchase register. Similarly, sales book otherwise named as sales journal, sales day book. Next, we know about the purchase return book and sales return book. When business return goods to the supplier, then it will record on the purchase return book. Goods returned by business to supplier, then it will record in the purchase return book. And when goods returned by customer to business, then it will record in the sales return book. And purchase return book otherwise named as purchase return outward. Purchase return outward. And sales return book otherwise named as sales return inward. Then when goods returned by business to supplier, then it will record in the purchase return book. And when goods returned by customer to business, then it will record in the sales return book. And when goods returned by business to supplier, then business prepared a document in the favor of a supplier, which is known as debit note. Document prepared by business in favor of a supplier, which is known as debit note. And when goods returned by customer to the business, then customer prepared document prepared by customer in favor of a business, is known as credit note. The debit note prepared by business in the favor of a supplier, and credit note prepared by customer in favor of a business. And purchase return book, also known as purchase return outward book, and sales return book, also known as the sales inward book. And business show the quantity and region of a return in debit note. And customer show the quantity and region of a return in credit note. Next, we know about the bills receivable book, bills payable book, and journal proper. In business, the bills may be drawn and accepted for the credit transactions. Then receipt of bills exchange record in bills receivable book. And issue of a bills exchange record in bills payable book. Then overall, receipt of a bills exchange record in bills receivable book, and issue of a bills exchange record in the bills payable book. And last, journal proper. The transactions which are not recorded above subsidiary book, they are recorded in journal proper. That means the transactions which are not recorded in above subsidiary book, then such transactions are recorded in journal proper, like depreciation, outstanding expenses, and loss on sale of assets. Overall, all are the types of a subsidiary book. Thank you.